what's up? Donkey Pilot here, and yeah, cheers! Welcome to another YouTube video, and this time it's about the boat. What the boat, like all the different parts of the boat, and I just want to show you around. So this is the cabin. I showed you in one of the first videos before. Nothing special. I sleep up there. I have a little computer and stuff over there, and that's it. Like really not much space. And my little curtain close up. And down here is a mechanic. He's outside, like always, mostly sometimes. Yeah, I mean, it says, you know, leave me alone, so better leave him alone, huh? Okay, so let's continue to the bathroom. Okay, ready? It's right here. There's not much to say. It's very small. There's the shower and the toilet and some shelves on the side, and that's it. Now the mechanic just came. And yeah, nothing special in here. Very small, tiny, but everything you need. So we're back in the bathroom, and it seems like they have a problem with flushing. So yeah, that's another problem on the boat. Seems like now it's working. Let's see if the water in the sink works. Okay. Yeah, now it seems like working. Still here. Yeah. Yeah, most of the time I spend either here or outside on our little nice front yard, as I call it, where the washer is, just sitting there and wait. Also, I'm studying a little bit for another license I need to fly in Europe, whatever, big pain for nothing. And yeah, I'm just waiting to be called. Like, he's the speaker of the dreams right there. Whenever they say this, you know, pilot, 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 fly, and then we fly, or I fly. And they're mostly Chinese, Taiwanese, Vietnamese, and Korean. So I hope, like, I just have to understand pilot, helicopter, and fly. That's it. That's all. 3 magic words. They make me excited of the day. So now we are outside. Here's the room, and no entrance for anybody else. Why? Because the crew, they have sometimes bed bugs, and if somebody else goes in our room, then we will have, what's going on? We will have some bed bugs. So that's why no entrance for anybody else besides pilot and mechanic. So that's our little private room right here. As you can read in Chinese as well. And yeah, that's our front yard right here. It goes to the upper deck right here. That's the upper deck. And behind me, that's the bridge. Right there goes to the bridge. We have some freezers. That's more personal freezers. It's not for the crew. It's just for pilot, mechanic, and for the Korean captain, fishmaster, and all these guys. There's some food in there. Mostly I eat the food from the cook, from the crew. It's pretty good actually. But some other days, well, chicken feet and chicken head. Yeah, so here's my bicycle, which I love very much and helps me to work out. Otherwise you don't get any movement or any physical activities on the boat. We have some storage, some waters, some toys in there, like like girls have their toys under their bed. I have my toys out here. I mean, like, it's a workout stuff and some other things. But I will show you another day. Now it's about the boat. Alright, so the bridge over there, and there's always the first officer running around, and now Morris coming, the mechanic, and yeah, let's keep going to the upper deck. Got to show you, here are the supplies for the helicopters, tools and stuff for the mechanic, and that's our washer right here. My chair, it's pretty important to have a chair, because most of the time you cannot really sit anywhere. So a comfortable chair is doing a lot of good jobs. Up here I dry my laundry, and right here, that's where we eat. That's our little kitchen table. Cool. Let's go to the upper deck. So right now we're in the upper deck. That's where people hang out, like this guy. And that's where people sleep. That's our garbage cans. Our little garbage factory. And a chair, the old Fishmaster's chair, we don't need anymore, so just put it out here, because we cannot just throw it overboard. Down here in those storage rooms here, those doors can be removed. There's fish storage, fish freezers to keep the fish frozen for a couple months if needed. And there are another two over there. And up there is the heli deck, and another bridge, control tower bridge, something. We have a speedboat here, we have some rafts over there. They use those rafts for putting in the water to bait the fish, or to bait fish, which baits the tuna fish. And here's a crane. There are a couple of cranes here on the boat. They use it for all kind of stuff, to move stuff around. Cool. Up here it goes up to the bird's nest or tower or whatever lookout. They have some binoculars and they look for fish up there. Here's some more deck crews. They sleep everywhere. Right now this guy is sleeping in the back of the propeller of the boat. They just sleep everywhere, because it's hard to find some shade, and if you find some shade on the boat, you really have to reserve. You have to reserve it. Like, you put your stuff, you mat or you chair or something there, just to reserve it. Yeah. So here, right behind me, is a control. Right there behind me is a control panel for the cranes and the net and everything. Take a closer look to that. Alright, so that's where they control all the stuff. And the boat, the more cranes, the boat's net is over here. And on the back is a little boat. It's right there. This boat there is a skiff, and that's basically the beginning of the net. And there's another boat right here. They call it net boats because when the net drops in the water, they use the boats to keep the fish inside the net and to keep the net tight so it doesn't tangle around. That's it for this part. Thank you very much for watching, and leave a comment, share with your friends if you liked it, and I'm happy if I see you next time again. Donkey, pile it up.